everybody, welcome to my channel Grow Leafy. I'm Alethea. Remember to click subscribe and to like this video. Today we are going to harvest dun peas. Do you remember those seeds that I bought a while back? Well, the dun peas are about to be harvested today. This is my first time making microgreens with dun peas. So this is going to be exciting. This is actually day 13 of the microgreens, so they are more than ready to be harvested. They look wonderful. There's a lot of color in them. They're very green and lush, and they're tall, and so let's just go right on ahead and start harvesting it. I love harvesting, and I love because you work so hard to make your microgreens and to make the seeds, to get the seeds going, because you work so hard to make your microgreens. And so harvesting them is such a reward, because then you get to eat them, you get to cook them, and microgreens are just so wonderful for you because there's so much nutrition in them that is inside the microgreens before they actually grow with the true leaves and you get the full fruit. There's so much nutrients actually in the microgreens, so I enjoy it, and it tastes just like the actual vegetable that you would make if you were planting it in the garden. So I think that it's a wonderful thing to do. If you're ever interested, I definitely would encourage you to do it. It's very simple, and there's a lot of support out there where people can help you out with just teaching you on how to do it. There's a lot of videos, there's a lot of information, there's a lot of articles. But if you want to know how to make them, I'm making a lot of videos about microgreens. Just subscribe to my channel and you can learn, and we can actually learn together. I'm going to go ahead and start clipping at them. They are so tall. Let me get up and start moving around and doing this too, so I can get around the tray. And that is it. So this is what we have here. Look at this. It's lush, it's green. The stems are very long. I want to get you a closer picture of that view of that. Can you see that? How lush they are? The color. They're so green. So much color. Dense. I can't wait to try this. Like, can you believe this? In just a 10 by 10 size tray, you get all of this food that you grew in your home, wherever you live, whether you live in an apartment, no matter what size your home where you live is. If you don't even have your own place, you can grow it at a friend's house, or you could be at work. You're a busy person, you don't really have time, and you might even set up a tray to be able to do that. You know, it's very simple, very simple. But this smells so great. I can't wait to try it. And this is the tray, and this is what's left. And so what I'm going to do with this Coca-Cola is just compost it in my composter. I have a tumbler. And so that's what I'm going to do with that. But this, done peas. All right, I'm going to try it. This is very strong. It tastes so good. I wish I could share it with you. But you can make them yourselves. Make sure you watch my other videos on how to make microgreens. And then you can just purchase different kinds of seeds. But this tastes very good. It's crunchy. There's a lot of water. So there's water that's in it that's coming out of the stems, which is great. It tastes just like a pea. But that only took 13 days. Now, I'm a very busy person. I'm a very busy person. And so being able to be a busy person and be a gardener by gardening in a very simple way makes a whole lot of difference for me, because I'm able to actually do this. So I would suggest this. It is simple to do. You can just watch some of my videos. I can teach you how to do this so that you can grow microgreens in your own home. If this video was helpful for you, if it encouraged you to even get started, just get started. You don't have to have much things. Just get started with what you have. And just get started and start to grow your own food. You know, your own autonomy of growing your own foods in your home. Growing your own foods in your home. Very simple. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Click the like button. And I'll see you next time. And remember to grow leafy.